This world is temporary. Yet we race through it every day, chasing wealth and chasing more, not knowing if we'll see tomorrow's ray. This world is temporary. All we truly own is the meal we ate today, the clothes we've worn and shown. What if tomorrow these eyes don't open wide? What if this very night becomes our final ride? This world is temporary. Don't exhaust your soul this way. Health won't last forever. Illness comes, then fades away. And in the end, death will come for all. No matter how we run, we can't escape its call. This world is temporary, so do good while you can. Be kind, be someone's shelter. Leave love wherever you stand. Let your presence bring a smile. Let your name live on in prayer. This is the only story worth leaving anywhere. Because this world is temporary. This all is temporary. This is temporary. This world is borrowed time. So why not spend it well? Real happiness is not in things. It lives in hearts you touched, in friends, family, and humanity.